tell you what's going on, guys. Because all those people on the internet, they're playing cat and whatever. Like as if I pay attention. We're gonna do a few battles today. I'm gonna show you the progress I made for the last 24 hours. It's one battle one today. Just hope I can win more. First things first, unlock this area where you can bet parts. So as you can see, there are these two things battle. People bet which one will win. I bet on this guy over here, the one on the left. The moment he's winning, so the moment looks like I was right. Oh no! My gosh. I don't want to lose that, so I'm going to take that, but oh my gosh, did you see that? He just escaped and oh my, that's nasty. Oh, I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm going to bet on this guy, but yeah. I really want this piece of my vehicle to be enchanted, so I'm also going to show you guys how much I've improved in the game. So I'll show you my vehicles. So there's over here, there's the map. Shows you how much I've improved. So yesterday at start, in the first arena I had this kind of vehicle here at number 1. 2 is the vehicle after that. Overall the vehicle hasn't changed too much. Until last night where I was changing it, started getting better parts, metal parts and stuff. But then now it's definitely changed now. As you can see, changed from this over here on number 5 to this. Because this arena you need like a lot of stuff, and I still won't beat everyone in this arena. But since I'm in the top like 6, I will get an upgrade to win the next stage soon. So I'll show you the area I'm going to get upgraded in. So you can see here, the top 6 here, and then the Port Championship ends in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So we'll get an upgrade. That's going to be awesome. Now I'm going to open this chest. Sneaky, there's a roller, tire, chainsaw, there's some gems and stuff. It's nice. Now most of my stuff's pretty cool. It's all like enchants and stuff. I don't actually get any upgrades on these though, because none of them actually have enchants that are good for my vehicle. I'm lowering the board of the vehicle that I'm using, and it's one that benefits me most. This is a new one. Might use that instead. But yeah, I don't know. I just need upgrades. So we got 15 here, 11. So we have stuff. Up here I could upgrade this. It's another level then, I guess. It's nice, that's level 12 now. That's pretty good. 62 damage, that's a fair amount of damage, I have to admit. I'm gonna do a few more battles over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. That was an easy win. Going over here now. Oh my, yes. That was so close. We just won a super chest. Or super box. That's pretty cool. I actually have a lot of gear. I'm gonna sell it for some cash. I won't ever need this. Never gonna need this. I might put that in there. How much is that? Okay, can do that. But I'm rich, man. Let's do so much. They're both level 13 now. That's pretty cool. I want to play this level 14. Let's put this in. How much does this cost to add in? Don't have enough to sell. Put this in, sell that. Up. Let's try beating that guy again. Let's try and beat this guy. Let's go. I beat him. Nice. That's good. Might try and beat this guy now. Ouch. That sucked. You're doing better than last time, so that's good. What's this guy looking like? So we have Mark over here. Burst. Can I beat? Oh my gosh, that was so close. Just about to hit him too. Let's check this guy. Also, guys, in the comments, tell me what you think about this series. Do you like it or not, or anything like that? Rip. I used to be able to beat this guy, but then he changed his vehicle. And I can't beat him anymore. I used to be able to beat this guy as well, but he got better gear, and now I can't beat him. It kind of sucks. I'm not doing bad, though. Like, number 5. In 2 hours, we're at 7. But I'm just going to continue the series until we can beat this area over here, or at the end, with the weird skull and crossbones on it. Let's see how this went. So I decided to bet on bank. So let's see how that went. I knew this would happen where you just lift it up and then I'd lose. Yeah, I knew that would happen. Bro, how did I know? I'm definitely gonna bet one more time. Try one more time. Honestly, I feel like this guy over here is gonna win. The other rocket and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. Could look at this one over here. It's gonna be a pretty cool battle, honestly. Ooh. Okay, well. Just having a look right now. It's pretty savage stuff. I do understand more people have voted for General Floof over here. But if you look at Bubin's vehicle, he has a forklift. I've seen this happen several times to myself and others. Those get forklift, they'll be tipped over. And this guy would just keep shooting rockets. On the other hand, though, this guy does have one of those little, like, spinner things. What are they called? They're called blades. Okay, that's a pretty basic name. I think I'll have a bet after this, though. I'm not even trying to decide because I'm just doing battles that I see. First kind of thing. Because I don't have much money and it costs so much to skip a battle nowadays. Like 120 or something. And at this point in the game, that's a fair amount. Okay. I better bet on this quickly. Honestly, I feel like this guy's gonna win. I'll try and bet this. I really want this enchanted. I need this enchanted. So I could get a really good bonus on this. I'm also gonna bet on. Let's go over here. Bet the forklift. Also bet this rocket thing. And this as well. The second two parts don't really matter to me too much, but the first one, yeah. We also have come on. Oh my gosh, I was so close again. You serious now? Okay, last battle. I believe that this guy's gonna win, but yeah. I don't actually know, because, yeah. I'll just do this battle first, so. Check out. That was easy. Well, let's put a bet over here. No, who should I bet on? I don't know. I'm thinking this guy, but this guy might have just a little chance too. Overall, though, I think this guy over here is going to win, so I'll bet. I need to. I'll need this enchanted. Like, no. How do I keep? Yeah, how it keeps getting so close? So it's annoying. How close it gets. I'm not gonna get up here though. I'm not gonna move up to the next area. Definitely. At the end of all this, I will get one of these super chests, on boxes or whatever. So yeah, pretty good. Anything I can do at the moment, like. I don't know, there isn't really much I can do. Like, I'll do a few battles and wait for the next fight to start. So, let's see if I win this bet. But yeah. Rip. It's another easy battle. Just do a few battles while I wait. It's all I can do, honestly. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna win this one. It's gonna go as like instant death kind of thing. And this guy's just gonna die. To lifted him over there. Rip dome. That was easy. Well, it's 2 minutes left. Like, honestly, the wheels in general, they can both move around. It's not like neither of them like stuck to one set place. Some people's wheels are too small and they're actually stuck to that one place, and it's kind of funny to watch those battles. These guys have mobility, so they can like move around and pretty free to move. So over here has a forklift. It's what worries me the most, but this guy has a blade, so it doesn't really matter if you're lying on the ground or not. I don't know though. Also, look at this guy's weapon. It's stuck. Like, there's barely any of it coming out of his body right now. Now, this battle over here, I'm just looking at it. Like, this guy could definitely lift him over. But by the time he does that, this guy would have taken a fair chunk of this guy's health with his little chainsaw here. And the blade would just finish this guy off. Also, you never know. This guy over here, General Floof, might not get lifted onto the ground and laid on his back, I guess. I don't know though. It's 1 minute left before this thing starts, so do like one or two more battles. Okay. This guy has a Coke bottle. Or like just some sort of soda drink that looks like Coke. Has a rocket. He has wheels that will not let him move. See, okay. Nice. Should be able to not lift him, yep. Great. That stinks. You can't lift him when he's in the corner like that. You can, but it's harder to do. I think it's really annoying. It's hard to lift someone if they don't have wheels. Well, let's try and find a battle, but yeah. I don't want to skip. Look at how much it costs. It costs 120. I only have like 500 or something. I need my money. Could definitely sell some stuff, but I really don't want to. This guy's dead. This guy has a blade and he has a rocket. Okay, I can lift him up, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Oh, it's gonna go on sudden death. This is annoying. I think this Beetle guy might win, honestly. Yeah, Beetle's won this one. Wait. My gosh, that was so close to me. Let's watch, I guess. GG. What enchant did I get? 1% health boost to roller. Do I have rollers equipped right now? Yep, I looked at that. Okay, classic, so that's, what's this game doing? So I have a scooter and a tire, damn it. the rollers, yeah, I sold all my wooden rollers. That's nice. I think I did this for a video. Okay, this guy's beating me. Let's check him out. Ooh, savage. Can't lift him up. He's too heavy. Damn. That sucks. Okay. There's no one I can beat. Well, anyway, guys. Oh, show you tomorrow if I've actually moved up an arena or not. Hope I do. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you later. Also, guys, yeah, before I say goodbye, and outro and stuff, if you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe for more content. And while I say that, I'm going to get some upgrades. So I'll do that. Nice. Okay. Definitely need this, actually. I don't use these, I don't use these. I don't use these. Or those. Or those, really. Or those. Or those, or those. Just, yeah. See you. And goodbye.